here we are in Puerto de Ensenada, obviously our hometown. This is my brother Roly.
How are you guys?
We're gonna be showing you Ensenada with this funky little microphone that we have today. But yes,
The heart and soul of the city.
the heart and soul. We have the cruises behind us. Actually, there's one cruise today, but usually we have several. We have the port, so we will show you around. Wanna come see it? Let's
Join us. Okay, so showing around in the port area. In our backs we have the social cultural center and convention center. It's called Riviera del Pacifico, and it's an iconic building actually built during the Prohibition in the 20s, and actually the main the grand opening was in the 1930s, and also that detonated a lot of investment in the area, so you have to come down and see it. Actually, this is the same architectural style as the Coronado Hotel in San Diego and Rosarito Beach Hotel.
That's right. Yes. Well, it used to be a casino. So yeah, we have a lot of history, and we will be doing a tour for that, just for that, so you get to see that. Anyway, so we also have a museum over here. It's called Caracol, which is a snail.
It's a very active place.
Yes. So we have actually the entrance where, if you are coming in a cruise, this is where you show up. This is how you walk to the little malecon, which is our walkway next to the ocean. So we will be showing you around.
Yeah, and how to rent tours to visit the blowhole or the wineries or breweries. There's so many options to do and see when you come down from the cruise ship.
Yep. Let's show you. Here we are. This is
Hey,
our
guys.
flag.
Our mega flag.
Super mega is one of the biggest in Latin America.
Yes. The pole by itself, it's 300 feet high. It weighs 120 tons. And the length of the flag would be around
Gotta translate from
150 feet. Yes, 150 feet. The length and the width, it's about 80 feet. 80 feet.
Whoa,
So, yeah, and it weighs nearly a quarter of a ton. Okay, so a lot of sewing need to be to get this thing going.
That's the little ladies they're sewing.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna show you a different angle of this flag and the pole, of course.
And hopefully you very soon will be here taking your own pictures and visiting Ensenada
That's right.
and looking for a nice place to move in.
Sorry, it's a little windy.
Yeah.
Here we are. These are the shops that you'll see right here in the puerto, actually. And there's a lot of people here shopping today. And of course, there's a band. Yay!
Yeah, traditional northern and southern music from Mexico that makes everybody dance and have a good time. Great restaurants, great seafood. So you gotta come down here. You're sitting right in front of the marina and all the merchandise area of the port.
Actually, over here, there's fishing sports. So this is where you'll take the boat and go see whales or go fishing. We have a lot of that. So, or actually just go around in the bay. You can actually take one of those. So, want to go see some sombreros over
Yeah,
here?
like a quick tour around the port. You can see all the sea lions and all the port does in about an hour. It's a very nice, calm tour around the port in a little boat.
Yep, very good. So we're gonna go bargain some things.
Yes. Get it for half price.
expert.
Oh, it's salt, lime, something like a soy sauce, and clamato.
En clamato. What's a clamato?
Tomato, huh? How do you pronounce it in English? Tomato?
No, clamato.
Clamato, yes.
No, it's a tomato juice. It's the tomato juice with a clam.
spicy.
It's actually clam flavor. Yes.
Tomato juice.
Yes, but anyway, but they put all kinds of sauces in it. They also put tajin, which is like a little chili salt.
Which is so good. You have to
They
try it.
use, oh my gosh, they use everything. So everybody likes them over here. If you have a hangover, that's what a lot of people have after a hangover.
Or
So-
before the hangover. To
Yes.
prepare for the hangover the night before.
Oh,
You
okay.
start with
Or in
clamato.
between.
Micheladas, eh?
Anyway, we have, of course, the band right next to us, so it is very noisy. We just wanted to talk about the Micheladas. What are those?
Next one will my water, my mouth
Mouth water, yes. So,
Yes.
and the authentic jarritos are here. Those are traditional from Sinaloa and Guadalajara, Jalisco. That's where they come from. Well, here we are at the monument to the fisherman. Ensenada is a fishing port. What we have actually here on our left, maybe your right, is the shop, the
Shipyard,
shipping.
shipbuilding.
Yeah, so they fix them over here, they paint them. So this is what actually Ensenada started with. So that's why they have this monument, and it's very nice. So Ensenada, it's known for that.
And a great selfie spot and picture spot here,
Yes.
where you can see a panoramic view of the whole facilities.
Let's go see it.
Yes.
This is part of the monument. This is actually the wife watching her husband leave, I guess.
And making sure he left the ice cream.
That's the joke. Boy, she's big. Very big. Well, this is the edition where we actually show you Ensenada. This is our port. I hope you love it. Please like, subscribe, share the video.
Spread the word, yes.
Yes. So we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And if you actually come over, contact us. Maybe we can give you a tour.
Yes.
We'll go out fishing with you. Take care. I hope you enjoy it. And
Thank you for your attention.
we'll leave you with Ensenada's.